Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and we're going to explain guys, if you're trying to find the relay for the run accessory relay guys, you have actually two of them. We'll explain where to find these relays. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for the shop, for our cars and all the parts guys. So I'll go ahead, open the hood and explain guys where that run accessory relay is guys, and where it's located. If you have any questions, let us know guys, drop a comment below, we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. This is guys, okay, right now we have a 2015 Dodge Dart guys. Dodge Dart, and the run accessory relay guys is actually located in this fuse box right here next to the car battery. Doesn't matter which engine you have, all of them will be the same way. So now right here as you can see there is one thing that we press in, then pull up, slide it out. On the back side here guys we have the fuse numbers and the relays, and they correspond that way, okay, to what we have there. Check it out, the same. So we need to check guys, okay, two relays we need to check. One is guys relay number 8, and the one that starts with T will be relay. This relay right here, a big relay T8, and we have one more. Make sure it's there until the end. So looking at it guys, that one will be the relay, the run accessory relay, the main one, and we'll have one more. So let me show you how you grab it. Okay, I grab it with pliers, gently shake it, comes out guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out where you can buy one from. We have part numbers and all that, okay, will be listed there so you can see where you can buy it guys and get it for a really good price, because sometimes relays are hard to find. This is one of them. What about another one guys? The other one is relay number 17 right there. So we're looking at this guy, okay, over there. So what I have to do, just grab it, pull it out, okay. And for this one we have the part numbers and everything listed again guys, so you can see, okay, where you can get one from, and where you can buy one to replace yours with. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to figure that one out. All we have to do after that, okay, just go ahead, push it in, okay, and install the other one. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.